Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about S-block elements, introduction and physical properties of S-block elements. Okay, so atomic radius, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electron affinity. Okay, today class chemical properties of alcoholic metals. Which elements alcoholic metals? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, already we know that. So overall alcoholic metals contain highly reactive in nature. These elements contain number of highly reactivity. So these elements react with a number of components like a oxygen, H2O, water molecules, hydrogen and halogens. Okay, so now chemical properties of alcoholic metals. Now first of all, reaction with the oxygen. Okay, reaction with the oxygen. Overall, suppose for example we write capital M. Capital M is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, overall these are all elements reacts with the oxygen to form three types of oxides. Okay, how many types of oxides? Three types of oxides. Number one, M2O formula of compounds. M2O formula of compounds. Number two, M2O2 formula of compounds. M2O2 formula of compounds. Number three, MO2 formula of compounds. Number one, M2O formula of compounds. These compounds is called monoxides. Okay, these compounds peroxides. These compounds superoxides. Okay, M2O formula of compounds monoxides, M2O2 formula of compounds peroxides, MO2 formula of compounds superoxides. Okay, so overall now first what is the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, now first monoxides. Okay, monoxides. So already we know that M2O formula of compounds monoxides. Okay, overall in these alcoholic metals all elements to form monoxides. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, all elements to form their monoxides. Suppose for example we have taken lithium. This lithium reacts with the oxygen. Lithium reacts with the oxygen to form Li2O. Lithium monoxide. So balance the equation. Overall two oxygens, 4 lithium atoms, you write 4 Li. So 4 Li plus oxygen gives rise to 2 Li2O. lithium monoxide. Next further, as it is 4Na plus O2 gives rise to 2Na2O, sodium monoxide. At the same time, K2O, potassium monoxide, Rb2O, rubidium monoxide, CS2O, cesium monoxide. Okay, so overall M2O formula of compounds monoxides, all elements like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, the elements to give their monoxides. Suppose for example lithium is reacts with oxygen to form their lithium monoxide, or sodium is reacts with oxygen to form their sodium monoxide, at the same time potassium monoxide, rubidium monoxide and cesium monoxide. Okay, so these are all monoxides. Next further, second one, peroxides. Okay, peroxides. So overall M2O2 formula of compounds peroxides. M2O2 formula of compounds peroxides. So in this only sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements to form their monoxides. But lithium does not form peroxides. Okay, so lithium does not form peroxides. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium to form their peroxides. Suppose for example Na, sodium, sodium reacts with oxygen, sodium reacts with oxygen to form Na2O2. Na2O2 means sodium peroxide. Or suppose 2K plus O2 gives rise to K2O2. 2K plus O2 gives rise to K2O2, potassium peroxide. At the same time Rb2O2, rubidium peroxide, CS2O2, cesium peroxide. Okay, so M2O2 formula of compounds peroxides. Lithium does not form peroxides, but remaining sodium element, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements react with the oxygen to form their peroxides. Suppose for example we have taken sodium. Sodium reacts with the oxygen to form sodium peroxide, Na2O2. Or potassium is reacts with oxygen to form their peroxide, K2O2, potassium peroxide. So Rb2O2, rubidium peroxide, CS2O2, cesium peroxide. Okay. Next, third one, superoxides. Okay, superoxides. So which formula? MO2 formula of compounds. MO2 formula of compounds superoxides. So potassium, rubidium, cesium. Potassium, rubidium, cesium. These elements reacts with oxygen to form their superoxides. But lithium, sodium does not form superoxides. Lithium, sodium does not form superoxide. Only which elements? Potassium, rubidium, cesium. These three elements reacts with the oxygen to form their superoxides. Suppose for example K, potassium, it is reacts with oxygen. Potassium reacts with oxygen to form KO2, potassium superoxide. Or suppose Rb, rubidium. So rubidium also reacts with oxygen to form RbO2, rubidium superoxide, rubidium superoxide. Okay, so at the same time CsO2 also, CsO2, cesium superoxide. Okay, so these are all oxides. Okay, overall alkali metals reacts with oxygen to form their different types of oxides. Number one, M2O formula of compounds, monoxides. M2O2 formula of compounds, peroxides. MO2 formula of compounds, superoxides. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements to form monoxides. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements reacts with oxygen to form their peroxides. Potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements reacts with oxygen to form superoxides. Okay, so they are all oxides. Okay, next reaction with water molecule. Reaction with water molecules. Overall, alkali metals reacts with water molecules to form their hydroxides or basic components. Okay, to form their hydroxides or basic components. At the same time, to form hydrogen gas. Suppose, so M means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Overall, suppose for example M, it is reacts with the water molecules. It reacts with the water molecules to form MOH plus hydrogen. Okay, MOH plus hydrogen. Okay, overall in this reaction, which gas is released? Hydrogen gas. Suppose for example we have taken lithium. So lithium reacts with the water molecules. Lithium reacts with the water molecule to form LiOH. Lithium hydroxide. And next further hydrogen. Okay. Suppose next sodium. This sodium metal is reacts with water molecules to form NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Next further hydrogen gas. Okay, so suppose replace of sodium we have taken potassium also. Suppose 2K plus 2H2O to form 2KOH and hydrogen gas. Potassium is reacts with the water molecules to form potassium hydroxide and to give hydrogen gas. So at the same time, rubidium hydroxide and hydrogen gas are cesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, commonly alkali metals very highly reactive with water molecules. Okay, so to form their hydroxides and hydrogen gas, suppose for example Lithium reacts with the water molecules to form lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next, sodium is also reacts with the water molecule to form the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next, potassium is reacts with the water molecule to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Say rubidium, cesium. These elements also reacts with the water molecule to form their hydroxide. Means just like this is all basic components. Next, further, which gas? Hydrogen gas. Next, reaction with the hydrogen. So N is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Alkali metals reacts with hydrogen to form their hydrides. Which type of hydrides? MH formula of hydrides. Okay, MH formula of hydrides. Suppose we have taken M means lithium, sodium or potassium. So M is reacts with hydrogen at a 300 to 600 degree centigrade temperature to form MH. Okay, to form MH. So hydride, alkali metals hydride. Suppose we have taken lithium element, Li lithium. Lithium is reacts with hydrogen at 300 to 600 degree centigrade temperature to form 2LiH. Lithium hydride. Next, suppose we have taken sodium metal. It is reacts with hydrogen at 300 degree centigrade to 600 degree centigrade temperature to form 2NaH. 2NaH. Sodium hydride. So lithium hydride, sodium hydride. Next, potassium KH, potassium hydride, RBH, rubidium hydride, CSH, cesium hydride. Okay, so these are all hydrides. Which element reacts with hydrogen to form their hydride? Suppose NH3, nitrogen hydride. So it is called ammonia. Already we know that. CH4, carbon hydride. It is also called methane. Okay, methane. Already we know that. Okay. So overall, alkali metals reacts with hydrogen to form MH formula of hydride, like a lithium hydride, sodium hydride, potassium hydride, RBH, rubidium hydride, and CSH, cesium hydride. They are all hydrides, ionic compounds. Ionic compounds. Suppose LiH, lithium hydride, it is connected to Li plus, lithium hydride and Li plus H minus. Okay, sometimes hydrogen contain positive and negative also. Okay, positive charge as well as negative charge also. So overall, these are all hydrides contain which compounds? Ionic compounds. Okay, ionic nature, it is CSH, cesium hydride, and next further RBH, rubidium hydride, KH, potassium hydride, NaH, sodium hydride, and LiH, lithium hydride. What is the order of ionic nature? So CHH, cesium hydride greater than, rubidium hydride greater than, potassium hydride greater than, sodium hydride greater than lithium hydride. Okay, it is a reaction with the hydrogen. Next further reaction with the halogens. Reaction with the halogens. So halogens is indicated with X. X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. What is the M? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Overall, suppose M, alkali metals. These alkali metals is reaction with the X2 halogens. To form in this reaction MX. So overall, alkali metals reacts with halogens to form MX formula of compounds. Okay, MX formula of compounds. Suppose M, what is the M? Suppose lithium, we have taken lithium. Lithium reacts with the X means fluorine or chlorine or bromine, any element. Suppose we have taken chlorine. So to form in this reaction, 2LiCl, lithium chloride, or sodium is reaction with fluorine to form 2NaF, sodium fluoride, or replace of M, we have taken lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, NaMn. So X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, any compound. Okay, so MX formula of compounds. MX formula of compounds. M is the alkali metals, X is the halogens. Suppose LiCl, lithium chloride, or lithium fluoride, lithium bromide, or lithium iodide. Sodium fluoride, or sodium chloride, or sodium bromide, or sodium iodide. Okay, so number of components have there. So these are all components is ionic components. Suppose we have taken NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is ionic compound. So it is a ionization of NaCl, it is converted to Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus positive ion, Cl minus negative ion. Na plus is cation, Cl minus is anion. Okay, Na plus is cation, Cl minus is anion. Okay, so suppose LiCl, Li plus Cl minus. Okay, Li plus Cl minus, lithium chloride. Okay, so these all components is ionic nature of components. Okay, ionic nature of components. It is the chemical reactions of alcoholic metals. Now, what is the use of? Next further class, we have discussed about use of alcoholic metals. Okay.